Hello, healthy people. Isn't it annoying how quickly fruits seem to go bad the moment they come home with us? It's as though once they're removed from their basket at the grocery store, it's a race to see who's the quickest, your appetite or the mold. Well, if you're looking for ways to make these fruits last longer than a song, then you're in luck, because in this video, we'll show you how to store the top 5 most common fruits at home for up to a whole month. But before we get into this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below so you don't miss out on any of our natural remedies curated to improve your life. Number 1. Bananas. To prevent bananas from ripening too quickly, separate them from the bunch and wrap the stems with plastic wrap. This helps to slow down the ripening process and keep them fresh for up to 2 weeks. Number 2. Apples. Apples emit ethylene gas, which can cause other fruits nearby to ripen and spoil more quickly. So, store them separately in a cool, dark place like a pantry or a basement. You can also store them in a plastic bag with a few ventilation holes to keep them fresh for up to 2 whole months. Number 3. Berries. To keep berries fresh for longer, rinse them in a solution of vinegar and water before storing them in the refrigerator. The vinegar helps to kill any bacteria that may be on the berries and can extend their shelf life for up to 2 weeks. Number 4. Citrus fruits. Citrus fruits, like oranges and lemons, can last for weeks at room temperature, but can also be stored in the refrigerator to extend their shelf life for up to 3 weeks. If you only need to use a portion of a citrus fruit, store the remaining portion in a plastic bag in the refrigerator. Number 5. Grapes. To keep grapes fresh for longer, remove them from the stem and rinse them in a solution of vinegar and water before storing them in the refrigerator. You can also freeze grapes for a refreshing and healthy snack. Grapes can last up to 2 weeks in the refrigerator and up to 8 months in the freezer. Stop throwing away moldy fruits before you even get a chance to eat them, and keep them for much longer by following these easy tips and tricks. And let us know in the comment section below which other fruits you want us to talk about next. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful. And as always, remember to live healthy, live happy, and know that you are appreciated. Until next time.